Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, so it often causes people to chase after stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite and proprietary machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap stocks in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation here. Start off in the small cap space. You can see CHPT. Today is Wednesday, October the 11th. Pops up in the number one overall position at the top of the main dashboard here at TradeAlgo.com for our users to take advantage of, with an over 1,400% increase in institutional bearish pressure. So no surprises, the stock drops almost 18% as a result. Speed and transparency are key here. It's important to get that information before it's already dropped 17.7%. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Trade Algo Alerts tab, where we can find out in these private exchanges large signals that our AI technology is picking up on. You could see at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 2.86 times the average amount of bearish pressure is piling in from institutions. So if we go to CHPT's real-time information, you could see this huge drop it made throughout the day. Again, what our technology is pulling from and picking up on is the fact that typically only $24 million of the stock is traded in private exchanges by large institutional investors over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, Wednesday, October the 11th, it was almost $345 million. So it's hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. No wonder it was making that clear, conscious move. Now, if you had done put options following along with smart money transactions, look at the huge list of triple and even quadruple digit winners here. The $4 put option had the most daily volume and open interest. So let's just say, for example, that you had done some put options there. We're taking a look at the 5-minute candle because we know our AI picked it up at 9:34. So this is the 9:35 candle. Options for the next 15 minutes were between about 2 to 5 cents. So that means from its bottom to its maximum, a near 1,400% return. But the market moves very quickly. It's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. It's about having the signal and the information down here, which you get with TradeAlgo, as opposed to hearing about it after it's already moved over here 1,400%. For example, maybe you didn't get in the trade until 10:05 a.m., and then maybe you hopped out early, just right around or right before lunch. That's still a 108% return, which is fantastic. Get your data down here, stop chasing it over here. And it wasn't just CHPT. There were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's just take a look at maybe one or two more. Let's take a look at NVO, which is on the trending upside of the equation on the large cap space. You can see right there in the number 2 overall spot, nearly a 400% increase in institutional bullish volume. Stock ends up jumping 3.8% as a result. And while we're here, we might as well take a look at the small cap side of the equation with TUP, 2,300% increase in institutional bullish volume. That stock jumps over 30%. So if we go to our alerts tab here at TradeAlgo.com, we can see that our machine learning technology was able to identify NVO at 9:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with more than 6 times the institutional bullish pressure, and TUP at 8:09 a.m. So this would have been a little more than an hour before the market even opened. Again, speed and transparency are key here. So let's say that you had done call options on TUP following smart money transactions. Look at the nice list of triple-digit returns there. Plenty of daily volume and open interest. For example, let's say that you had done the $2 call option. We're just going to stick with the 15-minute candle here because we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. That's when the signal was there. So it's maximum 350% return. But again, maybe you didn't get in until 10:15. Maybe you got out early at a 100% return. There was up to a 350% return to make. Anything in between is a huge win. And then to wrap things up, let's go ahead and check out and see how NVO did on the call option side of the equation. All this being done through our proprietary data and website at TradeAlgo.com. Nice list of triple-digit winners there. The $100 call option had a lot of daily volume, so we're going to go to the 5-minute chart because, again, we know our AI picked it up at 9:54, which is right down here. This is the 950 and the 955 candle. Let's just stick with the 955 candle. Options are 28 cents at its maximum, more than a 300% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.